You also have now Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju, information coming in that he's all likely to meet with the Prime Minister in the Parliament anytime now. Rijiju to brief Prime Minister Modi on this ugly scuffle and the fallout that happened in the Parliament premises. Of course, this is now taking new turns, with the Congress party now claiming that their senior-most leader, Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president and MP, was assaulted by the BJP and he was literally forced to take a seat. He almost lost balance and he was forced to sit down. He incurred injury on his knees, and that this must likely be probed. It has to be probed. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge is saying that he was instead assaulted. Now, you have Kiren Rijiju all set to be meeting with Prime Minister Modi to be briefing him on this ugly fallout, this shove fest that happened in the Parliament early today. In fact, leaders currently receiving treatment, the BJP netas who had a fall there with Rahul Gandhi forcing his way into the Parliament premises. Two leaders, BJP MPs, had a fall. They've been rushed to the hospital. They're receiving treatment. Now, while you have the BJP MPs attacking Rahul Gandhi and accusing him of violence, you have the Congress claiming that in fact it was Mallikarjun Kharge who was assaulted. He incurred injuries on his knee and he was forced to sit down due to the assault. Piyush is with us for more on that. Piyush, give us more clarity. Parliamentary Affairs Minister to be meeting with Prime Minister Modi to brief him on what has happened. But in the meanwhile, we hear a letter has been shot off to the Lok Sabha Speaker by the Congress claiming the same, that their senior leader Mallikarjun Kharge was assaulted. We're going to try and bring back Piyush's line there. But if we could take you through images of Mallikarjun Kharge, if we could play that out for you. We see Mallikarjun Kharge also part of that protest where he was holding placards. They were, of course, protesting on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That face-off turned ugly. Both sides, the BJP and the Congress, blaming each other for disrespecting Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb.